name is Davide Marini. I'm originally from Italy. I came to America to do my PhD. I graduated from MIT with a PhD in mechanical engineering. And then I became passionate about entrepreneurship, the process of taking academic stage technologies all the way to the market. And I started a company with a friend from MIT in the area of life sciences. After the company was acquired, I was introduced to the founders, the scientific founders of Inkbit, also from MIT, and they invited me to join as co-founder and CEO. So Inkbit exists to take 3D printing from the prototyping shop all the way to the factory floor. In order to do that, we invented a new process that we named VCJ, Vision Control Jetting. This has a number of advantages for the customers, but at a very high level, we can manufacture parts that are very accurate with high performance production grade materials in high volume. I think the most surprising thing to me is how complex this technology is. It's a little bit like what I imagine happens in the aerospace industry. You have to build an airplane. It's a complex piece of technology that probably nobody knows all the details. So when you develop a technology like that, you have to bring it to market. You need to build a culture that relies on trust and extreme transparency in communication and nimbleness and trust among the team. MIT has a culture of, I would say, a combination of humility and extreme curiosity and willingness to take any concept to its most extreme consequences without taking yourself too seriously. There is a playfulness that is also seriousness. I think anybody that went through the institute would know what I mean. So I try to use those same principles to hire. Could you help us find the most exciting applications for our technology? So if you work in a manufacturing company, if you're considering moving to additive manufacturing, please contact us. If you have an application that you think our technology could serve, we would love to speak with you.